Hey guys, wishing those who celebrate a really blessed and happy Lunar New Year of the Ox. I hope that you are having a lovely time with your family and friends. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of my very first VCA piece. VCA has been on my mind for quite a while now, and I initially wanted to save up and buy my very first VCA piece in 2021 this year. So I went down to VCA last year with my mom to take a look at a few of the pieces. There were already two that I had in mind. So when I went down to VCA last year, they had it in store. They received it brand new, and my parents ended up surprising me, and they got me my very first VCA piece, and also a piece that has been on my dream wish list for the longest time. So I am very grateful. Today's video is not about bragging or anything. I just want to share the piece I got, what it comes with, and my first impressions of this piece. So when you buy things from Cleef Arpels, it comes in their signature white color paper bag with the green handles and also the logo. So basically this logo VCA here, and at the back it says Cleef Arpels. So inside, the very first thing is the receipt, which comes in this beautiful envelope. It even has their name embossed in silver at the front, and also their logo at the back here. And inside it comes with the receipt, which I will share the price of what I got later. The next thing is this booklet. So again, it has their logo embossed in silver at the front. When you open it up, there is an image of the Van Cleef boutique in Paris. And then there's this booklet which has all of the care instructions. So again, very beautiful even for a care instruction. So basically, I think it has the instructions in different languages. So it's like this. And on the other side, it has the certificate of authenticity. So basically, it looks like this. Again, with the logo and everything embossed in silver. So you basically just slide out the certificate like this, and it has this really beautiful embossing at the front. Yep. So basically it says certificate of authenticity, and it has Cleef Arpels embossed at the bottom. And behind, basically the certificate, so there's the hologram sticker here, and then below, which I'm covering, it has all of the serial number for my item and the date of purchase, and yeah. So yes, so that's the certificate of authenticity. Very important, we have to keep this. So that's all that's in this booklet. And the essay was also really sweet. She also gave this travel pouch in this beautiful like sage green color. You can see that it even has the logo embossed here. So basically, in future, if I want to travel and I want to bring this piece along, I can use this to store the piece. So it basically opens up like this, and it has this felt thing for you to leave your bracelet on. So beautiful. And again, it has the Van Cleef Arpels embossed in silver there. So yes, that's all that came with the item. And now onto the highlights. Here it is. I've already opened it, so I had to tie it back, so it's not as pretty as how I received it from the store, but that's fine. It comes in the beautiful green ribbon and the white color box. So and again, the box, it has the logo Van Cleef Arpels embossed with the logo here. And one thing I like about the box, it has this like flap where you can just leave it open and you can slide the box out easily in a way. I don't know why, but these kind of small things just amuse me. I find it quite cute. So here is the box, the beautiful green box again, and it has the logo embossed here. Are you ready? Okay. Ta-da! Oh my god, she's so beautiful. My very first VCA piece, and it is the 5 motif vintage Alhambra bracelet from the Guilloche collection, and it is just the most beautiful VCA piece in my opinion. You can actually lift this flap up to remove the bracelet. I'm just like quite nervous. And here she is. Okay, let me try and put this on by myself. So basically this is how the closure looks like. So it's a very simple hook and you just have to hook to the other end. Hopefully I'm able to wear this by myself. Ta-da! You can see that it is a little bit loose on my wrist. It is dangling down like this. You can actually leave your VCA piece there and they can shorten it for you by removing some of the extra links. If you do it within 3 months of purchase, I think they do it for free. But I decided not to because I actually like how it looks like this, and I can even wear it higher if I want to. The essay actually showed me another way which I can wear this and at the same time shorten it. So I will insert a picture here. Basically you wear it as a charm with one motif dangling down, which I find so cute, and this was also one of the main reasons why I decided not to shorten the bracelet and just wear it on its own like this. I really like how it looks like on its own. I know a lot of people get like VCA pieces and they stack with other jewelry pieces, but I actually really like it on its own. I'm someone who likes really dainty pieces, so I find that it's so beautiful just like this. Honestly, I am so happy. Looking at this beautiful piece makes me so happy. And I love the Guilloche collection because of the stunning motif. I just find that it catches the sunlight so beautifully, and the workmanship, the craftsmanship is just amazing. And the Guilloche collection, it is pretty hard to come by, which was why my parents preferred for me to get this piece, because I was considering between this Guilloche piece, which they knew I love completely, but also the classic mother of pearl, because I found that the mother of pearl is a really classic piece. So I was thinking that maybe it might be good to start my VCA collection from there. But when my parents saw this, they are just like, just get this as my first piece. And I am very, very grateful for it. It's so beautiful. And let me just show you how it looks like when I wear my Cartier Justin Clew. They are pretty together, but because I find that a lot of people have this stack already, so I think that personal preference, I would just prefer to wear the VCA piece on its own like this rather than together. But yes, so that's how it looks like. First impressions wise, I actually find it quite easy to wear, like by myself. I don't really need any help doing that. I nearly forgot to share the price of the bracelet. So the price of the vintage Alhambra 5 motif bracelet in the yellow gold guilloche is 7,500 Singapore dollars. You can actually find the prices of all of the VCA pieces on the website depending on which country, and yeah, it's an easy reference. I did not know that at first, which was why I wanted to visit the store to actually find out the price, but I realized after that they do list the prices on the website. So that's all for today's video. Let me know if you are considering any pieces from Van Cleef Arpels. Let me know what you thought of my very first item, and also if you would like follow-up videos such as wear and tear of this beauty, and also a more in-depth review once I have worn it enough to give you a comprehensive review. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Again, wishing those who celebrate the Lunar New Year a really blessed and enjoyable time with your family and friends catching up, and continue to stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!